Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today, yes, today we got a new light. I got the soft lights. They're big, take a lot of space. So I decided to buy some LED lights. Let's see how they are. They came in this package. Amazon Prime member, happy member. So let's open this up. As always, kids, use this under the supervision of your parents. Alright, cool. Some bubble wrap. And one light and two lights. So here's one light. Here's the other. Let's see how they look. It comes nice and sealed, which is a good thing. There you go. Very, very nice packaging. I like it. See? Look at that. Wow. Very nice pack. Ooh. See this? It has a seal. This is a soft light. Basically, it helps you get the best look for your videos. The Raleno LED video light. Very soft. I like it. You can put the warm what you want here. The max white. Battery power on. See, it came with some battery, which is good. Here we go. So I turn one on. So here's the light. You can choose on the back if you want it warmer or more white light. So okay, so warmer or more white light. And here you can choose the density you want it on, which right there is the max. As you can see, I don't know if you notice a difference on my face, but what I like about it is not an LED. I thought it was an LED. It's basically a LED light, but it has a soft panel. So it has a soft panel in the front, which helps it not give you that harsh light. So let's see what else comes in the package before we continue. So in this little pretty box, what comes is basically the charger and the holder for the stand. I specifically actually bought something that would help me with this. I'm gonna show you right now. And you also have the hot shoot for the camera. So if you have any other type of camera where you want to put this on top when you are recording someplace live, somebody that you are recording, you can definitely light them up with this light. The good thing about it is that it's charged battery, so it has a battery power and a battery life of about 3 to 4 hours. So depending on the harshness that you use it, if you use it at max power, the battery expectancy, basically the battery life of the light, will be with about 120 minutes of use. 120 minutes of recording equals to about a very long video. That means like a 2-hour video. So for something like that, you probably have some wire connected lights. So I don't think that you will be using this constantly. But you can also power it by connecting a power adapter or something on it, and it will work perfectly. So let me open the second one. Okay, so for this lights, I actually bought 2 stands where I'm gonna set them up right now. Also got them on Amazon, link below for both of the products, so you can use it. So, so here it is. This is basically a stand, okay? Just like any other soft light, you will be able to use it to put your light on it. Okay, it's actually a very good quality too. I liked it because it felt sturdy. It looked cheap because it only cost $21, but it's actually very sturdy. I really like it. You know the lighting, you know how much they cost? They actually cost $34 and something cents each, which is amazing. I'll put the link as well on the description. Pretty cool. Yellow light. So now you can see the difference. I'm gonna put it white. So now you see white, okay? Now we're gonna do one more small thing. Let me flip the other lights out and just leave this big one. What I did now is I only set up these two lights. I shut off my soft lights where I'm giving light to the ceiling, and I put this directly to me. I don't know if how you can see it, but let me do something. So how can you guys see me? Judge below, comment below. Please like the video, subscribe, and if you want the lights, which help you a lot when you're video recording, smash that link down there. It'll take you straight to Amazon. You can get it. You can get the stands and the lights. Thank you very much for watching this video today, guys, and hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Oh, before we go, do you like this light better or the white light? Judge.